Welcome to a Davinci Resolve episode of Apple a Day. Today I'm going to show you the proper way to freeze a frame of video on your Davinci timeline. All of the tutorials on this that I've seen tell you to cut a single frame and use the Retime feature. Well, I think there's an easier way. It's a feature built into Davinci under the clip menu, and it's called simply Freeze Frame. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Shift-R. This works based on the playhead position. The clip doesn't even need to be selected. When applied, the freeze frame command will freeze the frame at the current playhead position. It will freeze it for the entirety of the clip. I'll put my playhead in the middle of this clip and choose freeze frame from the clip menu. And now you can see that frame is frozen across the entire clip. I can adjust the length of the clip and that frame stays frozen. If you don't want that freeze frame across the entire clip, then simply add cuts before and after the frame before applying. Say I want this frame to be held for a second before continuing. I'll zoom into the timeline so you can see it better. I'll press Command B on the keyboard to cut that frame, and then using the right arrow key, I'll move ahead a single frame and press Command B again to make another cut. I'll press the left arrow key to go back to the frame and choose Freeze Frame from the clip menu. So since you're freezing the frame, it's assumed you want to make that clip longer so you can see that frozen effect. So I'm going to switch over to the Trim Edit mode. Hover over the right edge of the frozen frame until you see this icon, then click and drag. Not only will it lengthen the frozen frame, but it will also push these clips to the right so you don't overlap them. If I play this back, we have that frame perfectly frozen. There's one more way to do this, and that's using F3 on the keyboard. It works the same way, but with a bonus. I'll show you. I'll put my playhead in the middle and select F3. Everything to the right of the playhead becomes frozen, and everything to the left plays just fine. I can increase the length of this clip and it holds the freeze frame just fine while leaving the rest of the video intact. So here's how you would use this practically. I'll just undo this. So find the frame you want to freeze and move ahead one frame with the right arrow key. Make a cut with the blade tool by pressing Command B. Then, using the left arrow key, go back one frame, press F3 to freeze it. With the trim tool selected, extend the length of the clip to show the frozen frame. I'll just quickly play this back. And that's it. That's how you do freeze frames in Davinci Resolve. I'm John Martins. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode of Apple a Day.